Welcome to this video. If you often book your train or bus tickets through the Omio app, you might be wondering how to save money by using a discount card. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add your discount card inside the Omio app so you can enjoy cheaper fares every time you travel. First, open the Omio app on your smartphone. Once the app is launched, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your account settings. Next, from the profile page, select Passenger Details. Now, scroll down until you find the option for Discount Card. Once you see it, tap on Add next to Discount Card. After that, you will see a list of travel companies. Select the company you are traveling with. Next, choose the type of discount card you have from the available options. Finally, tap on Confirm to save your discount card details in the app. That is all you need to do. By following these steps, you can make sure your discounts are always applied automatically.